Kelsey Arp here, and I have a fantastic product just for you. Two birds, one stone is the perfect workout video in the home of your home. It works out perfectly. You can work out while you're washing the dishes, shoveling the snow on your driveway, even just lunging around the house whenever you need to pick up toys, and you can do squats. It's perfect. It's convenient, and it is just for you. And you can buy it for $25, and it's perfect. Call 1-800-PASTY. Call today. Feel the burn.
I too have a story that I'd like to share. I have a friend who is missing.
Woo! I'm not.
Taking care of this little pup is what my life revolves around. I didn't have time to go to the gym. I couldn't leave him alone. He's my little baby. So, when Pasty Juliet's Incorporated came out with the Two Birds, One Stone program, I was just so happy, and when I tried it, I was just so surprised at how well it worked. I've dropped 25 pounds, and I haven't had to leave my baby once.
Woo! Time to shovel the driveway! Sorry. I'm falling. Yay. Hello. Before the Pasty Juliet's opened up, I hardly had enough time to clean my house. I never had enough time. Now, I have plenty of time. Clean my house and get a good workout in. I love it. I'll shave this body fat for new muscle. Woo! Pasty Juliet's would have never let me do that unless they would have came out with a video. They help me help you. Go out and buy it, people. I love it. It's perfect. Yay! Woo!
And my house is just so clean. Without Pasty Juliet's Incorporated, I probably would not be nearly as happy as I am. My shrink told me that I was probably like the most pathetic person she ever met. But now I'm happy and I laugh all the time. You should get the product to be a happier you too.
And before I started doing the 2 birds, 1 stone, I just could not find enough hours in the day to work out and fix up my home. Between milking the cows and collecting eggs from the chickens, there just wasn't enough time, man. And with this new workout program, I've lost at least, let me say, 50 pounds and about 16 inches on my waist. I love it. It gets everything done. My house looks perfect. Look at it. Look. Look at this. I would never have done this before I done the 2 birds, 1 stone. Thank you, Pasty Juliet's Incorporated. I love you.